What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna learn how to play I Don't Think You See Me by Teezo Touchdown. Now there's two parts to the song. There's the introduction and then there's that transition into basically the rest of the body of the song. And so for the introduction, the chords that you're gonna need to know are C sharp minor 7 played on the 9th fret, C sharp minor 7 played on the 4th fret, and then F sharp minor 7 played on the 9th fret. And then for the rest of the song, I wrote it down here, you're gonna need to know an E minor 7 played on the 7th fret, D major 7 played on the 5th fret, a C major 7 played on the 3rd fret, and a B minor 7 played on the 2nd fret. I know that's quite a few chords to get down, but I'll walk you through it, and this is how you play the chords. All right, guys, you ready? The entire thing is bar chords, so get ready. So for the introduction, just to give you a preview of what it sounds like, it'll go like this. Okay. So the first chord is a C sharp minor 7. We're gonna go here on the 9th fret, we're gonna bar it, and then we're gonna put our finger on the A string of the 11th fret. And what I'm doing here is I'm just plucking the 4 middle strings. So the A, D, G, B. That's a C sharp minor 7 played on the 9th fret. Second chord is a C sharp minor 7 played on the 4th fret. So we're gonna bar the 4th fret, and then we're gonna put our fingers on the 5th fret of the B string and the 6th fret of the D string. Again, I'm plucking the 4 middle strings. And then we're gonna go to the F sharp minor 7 played on the 9th fret. So just to keep it simple, keep this same bar chord shape, and we're gonna slide up to the 9th fret, and then we have the F sharp minor 7. Again, I'm just plugging the 4 middle strings. And then from here, we're gonna go back down to the C sharp minor 7 played on the 4th fret. Then we're gonna go back to the C sharp minor 7 played on the 9th fret. Back down to the C sharp minor played on the 4th fret. And then the last chord is the C sharp minor 7 played on the 9th fret. So that's the whole sequence. I know it may seem like a lot, but just play back the video until you get the pattern down. And that whole sequence, you're gonna repeat that 3 times for the intro. So now we go from the intro, what you just learned, and then we transition into the rest of the body of the song. And so, again, E minor 7, D major 7, C major 7, B minor 7. So, just to give you a preview of what it sounds like, it'll sound like this. Okay, and so and it's gonna be like that throughout the rest of the song. Okay, so for the E minor 7, we're gonna play that on the 7th fret. So we're gonna bar the 7th fret, and we're gonna put our fingers on the 8th fret of the B string and the 9th fret of the D string. Okay, second chord is the D major 7. We're playing that on the 5th fret. So we're gonna slide down here, bar the 5th fret, and then we're gonna put our fingers on the 6th fret of the G string and the 7th fret of the D and the B. And so the third chord is a C major 7. So we're gonna keep that same bar chord shape, and we're gonna slide down 2 frets to the 3rd fret, and we have the C major 7. Okay. And then we go back to the E minor 7 played on the 7th fret. And then back to the D major 7 on the 5th fret. And then here, the last chord kind of ends it on a minor chord. So it's a B minor 7 played on the 2nd fret. So we're gonna bar the 2nd fret, and it's gonna be the 3rd fret of the B string and the 4th fret of the D string. Then we're just gonna pluck the 4 middle strings one by one. So A, D, G, B. And then we repeat that entire sequence for the rest of the song. Hey, thank you guys for watching and tapping in. I definitely appreciate it. If you feel like this added value to you or if it really helped you, then please go ahead and comment down below, like the video, and share this with somebody that you know wants to learn the song. And also, please consider subscribing if you want more videos and content like this on my channel. I do tutorials on artists such as Teezo Touchdown, like we just did, Drake, Chris Brown, Blast, Bruno Mars, anyone within that space, in that realm, you'll find that here. So please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys on the next video.